Okay, welcome back. Here we are in YouTube looking at my channel, and we're going to talk about uploading the videos that we just exported. I'm going to go right next door to the upload button right here, select this, and this brings you to the upload window. You've got the choice of uploading multiple files if you need to. We're just going to do one, so I'm just going to click this guy over here, select it. It's going to ask you, what's the file? Here is the Louis Pasteur movie we just exported, and I'm going to select that. So now here we get kind of the same thing that we saw when we did this through iMovie 11. It's going to ask you what the name of the movie is. It's picking that up. It's going to ask for a description, and it's going to ask for a video tag. So I'm going to quickly type those in. And while we're doing this, it is sort of uploading as we speak. You can see the bar progressing up here. So I'm going to update this, and then we'll catch you guys in a second. Okay, so we've got those things updated, and you can see that in the time it took me to do that, our video is nearly done. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, so now that we have the video uploaded to YouTube, our next step is to prepare the closed captioning. I have a text file here which has the script for the movie. This is a rare case where I actually wrote the script for the video ahead of time, so I had something to read from. It's a great idea when you're talking about closed captioning because you have already written down what's in the video. You don't need to go through second by second dissecting what you rambled on about and try to put it into words. So we're going to take this file and upload it straight to YouTube for the closed captioning. But before we do that, we're going to reformat it a little bit. This was done in Microsoft Word, so it's a docs file, docx. If you upload this to closed captioning, it sort of works, but the YouTube actually picks up all the hidden formatting that goes on inside of this document. So there's a lot of garbage that you have to go up and delete out of your file. It's a lot easier just to upload a straight text file. So I'm going to do a save as and reformat this as a text file, and then we'll use that instead. So I'm just going to go to the File menu, do a save as. Nothing here really needs to change. I'm going to get rid of the space in this title. We've already talked about this. And rather than being a docx file, we're going to change the formatting down here to just plain text, just barely on my screen, txt file. So you can see it's got the txt extension over here. It's going to go to the same place. When I hit return, it just reformats. Let's take a look at this. Nothing crazy here. I'm talking about a Mac, so I'm just going to hit OK. It's basically going to reformat it. Nothing really looks different now. When we reopen this, you'll see that it's going to strip out a lot of the text formatting, the font, the leading, the font size, all that sort of stuff. But that simplicity makes it a lot easier to upload when we're talking about our closed captions. So let's close this and go back to YouTube and put it up. Okay, so here we are back in YouTube, and you can see our Louis Pasteur movie has made it to the list of videos. I'm going to go just under here next to the analytics button is this little downward triangle. If we select that, we get some options. We're going to go down to the captions and subtitles option. Select that. So here's a little thing of our video. Right now there are no captions. Eventually there will be a machine transcription that the program develops, which is really only good for the hilarity that results from how bad the translation really is. We're going to add a new caption and put in that file that we just optimized. So here it's asking where the file is, so we're going to browse. And we're in our thing. Here's our Pasteur info. Make sure it's the txt file and not the docs file. Open that. We're going for the transcript file. This caption file up here, this is if you're going to do it the official way and add the time codes where the text goes into specific places in the video. For now, we're just going to wedge the whole thing in and see what happens. So we're going to click the transcript file. For the most part, this does work pretty well. We're going to leave the title just as English. If you want to add some additional title, you can do that over here. And then we just upload the file, and it's that easy. We'll see that grinding for a while, and then when it's done, we'll come back and we'll take a look and see how it turned out. Okay, so our caption file has finished uploading and we're here in the video window. Let's take a look at it and see how we did. You can see here at the bottom we've got the little closed caption button. If we click it, it turns on the subtitles and you can see here that it's going to be in English. Let's play and see what happens.
Louis Pasteur was a French chemist who passed away in late September of 1895. He is known for his remarkable scientific breakthroughs, studying and understanding the causes of common diseases, and is considered to be one of the founding fathers of modern-day microbiology.
Okay, so I would say that turned out pretty well. The written captions are lining up pretty well with the spoken text, and technically I think we could call this project over. There are times, however, where the text doesn't quite line up. If there's a lot of background music, I've noticed the program really has trouble deciphering what's what, and your text can get pretty funky. If you're happy with how things went and if your project turned out great, then congratulations. Let's call that an upload, and thanks for watching. If you're not happy with things, or you just want to be a geek and learn how you can go in and manipulate the text a little bit better, join me in the next video and we'll talk about it. I'll see you there.